Hello folks, and welcome to our next episode of Tech Times. Today we have a speaker called the Air 2. It's a Bluetooth speaker that levitates in mid-air. So welcome to the Air 2 Bluetooth speaker review. Now this is what the Air 2 speaker looks like. It has the marking of Air 2 on the back and it's quite heavy. On the rim of the speaker you'll find the power, hands-free and volume up and down buttons. At the opposite side you'll find the USB charging port and the AUX port. As you can see, the standard mini USB cables that charge most phones can also charge this speaker. That's a good thing. This is the AUX port that you can connect external audio device and play through the speakers. This is the base for the Air 2 and it's the heaviest part of the device. The base is what helped the speaker to levitate in mid-air. On the right here you will find the power LED that shows that the base is plugged in and ready to go. On the front right here you're looking at the DC adapter port to help magnetize the base so the speakers can float. At the opposite end you'll find a USB port. Now this USB port is not used to play music from. It's also an optional power source for the base to float the speakers. So here we have the Air 2 fully assembled and floating. Wow, it's a sight to behold, honestly. A lot of people ask me what happens when the power goes. There is your answer. The speaker will not float if the base is not energized by some means. So just keep that in account when you're assembling this delicate speaker. To get the speaker floating again, it's a simple process. You just place the speaker in the placement holder that comes in the box and then remove the placement holder delicately and you will have the speaker floating once again. Voila! So right now I place the volume up on the phone, but there's a separate volume on the speaker that can turn up as well. Let's see if it makes a difference. Yes, it does. So my final verdict on the CES award-winning speaker, the Air 2, is that the design is amazing. It gets a 10 for design and it also gets a 7 for the audio quality. This is because I've heard better Bluetooth speakers. Thank you for watching folks, and you can get this speaker for this price at your local store. Thank you for watching. See you next time.